So this is it. Here he goes.
It's good.
Good. Now do the whole thing.
You have to suck that yolk in. Open up your mouth.
No.
Slide her down.
No.
That's not how you do it. Come on. Go. Just like Rocky.
But I ain't Rocky.
This is the slowest egg eating I've ever seen. Come on, that big yellow thing. Come on, I want to see the big yellow thing go. Let's go.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
What came to the back of my ear?
Nothing.
You gonna finish?
Into the sink if you're gonna throw up, not on the counter.